Yeah. Oh, you did this big toe? Ah, okay, on his hip side, his bad hip side? Okay. So I'm just going to have a quick feel around. Oh, wow, yeah, I can feel there's a big improvement. Yeah. So these toes are all tight. You did his big toe, yeah? Okay. Whereas, yeah, you can see the difference between you didn't work on this one, did you? No. All right, well, maybe what I'll do rather than the big toe, because Ty's got this hip problem going on. Would you guys prefer it if we moved over this way? I can see you're right in the sunshine.
But that will move shortly. It'll move.
It'll move? Okay.
And then we'll have to move.
Yeah, and then we'll have to move again. Do you think I should tackle this little toe or should I tackle this big toe?
Do both.
Do both? Okay. Which one first?
I think you should loosen his hip up.
I think so too. Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, if he has a reaction.
You okay with that, Ty?
Sorry?
Are you doing your little toe?
Whatever.
He said it's up for anything.
Whatever helps the class most, Brandon, you know.
Well, I want to help you
I'm
as
a
well.
martyr for their cause.
Okay. So, if we look at this toe, we can see how, see how these nails are sort of all facing that way. This one's almost at a 45-degree angle, right? Do you see that? It's quite distorted, really. I mean, you know, there's a twist going on there, right? So when he's thinking about having a hip operation in a week or two, then I think that this has been like this for decades probably, and creating all sorts of tension up here. Okay, and we can feel that steel cable running up here and into here. It's really bad. So I might see what I can do to get that toe not like that, you know? Who knows what we can do. I suspect he's going to be, see, it's also curling under that one a bit. There's no real space. It's actually kind of pushing in there a little bit. So I suspect he's going to be very tight coming from here to here. In particular, that like in there is going to be really tight. And also I want to get rid of this back here, but we do see that he's got a bit of tinea there. Okay, that's that white. So we've seen a few people with it, right? I've had that before. It's very common between the little toe and the next one. If you work that area there, you'll pull the skin off very quickly and it'll just come up all red, all right? Or bleeding.
So you work just above?
Yeah, I don't want to work into that. Okay, and that's often, you know, a good indicator where there is a lot of tension, I find as well, if you get that sort of tinea. Okay.
The other foot is very similar in terms of that. So I wonder if we need the other hip done.
Yeah.
Saying this is very similar to that.
Yeah.
So if you've had a hip problem there, once that's fit, you might get that one.
Well, I know that I got a problem with the adductor muscle in this other leg anyway.
Well, that's
and they're related. And I know my spine twists because I've had this for a couple of years. So.
But when they fix that and it all moves like that, you're going to pull that one out.
I know.
It's 2020. Like, just your face is completely clear.
I think
But
is it
here, it's worse. I used to have good eyesight. You know, I put my glasses down. Anybody see a pair of my glasses? No. I can still, it's just a little bit blurry close up, but if they're not around, don't worry.
Oh, God, find his glasses, please.
Are they the ones in your hats?
Oh, yeah, they probably would be. But no, there's nothing in the glasses case.
What do they look like?
They're gold rimmed, thin gold rimmed.
No, they're the wrong colour.
Oh, it's okay. I can. I just thought if they're there, I must have put them somewhere.
The best massages in town are blind.
That's right. So you can see I'm just positioning that chopstick, and he's already quite, it's quite high on his threshold, yeah? So that's a good indicator that we're onto something here. So I'm just going to let him breathe into it. So we want to find his 10 or his 9.
Oh, that's a 9 or a 10.
That's a 9. And so the pressure I'm using is virtually just a little bit more than just holding the chopstick there. Okay? You can see how I'm not really gripping it.
Could somebody get me a cushion, please?
So we want to uncharge that basically. Now you know what? We might put him in the side position. Yeah, is that okay, Ty? For
Yes.
working this little toe?
Yep.
Okay, we'll put you in the side position. And we'll have this bottom leg straight and the top leg bent.